Okay then, right, here we go on Karacho, a Gerstlauer Infinity coaster, launch roller coaster with lap bars. Let's go. No idea what to expect from this, but I can see a big drop coming up, so here we go. Woo! Whoa! Hey! Woo! Oh, well, that was fun. Got a nice bit of force to it. Yeah, decent.